Hello guys, welcome back to another Terraria video. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to make a bed and use that bed pretty much. So first thing that you're going to want to do is make a sawmill, right? We're just going to hop straight into it. So you're going to want to make a sawmill, right? Recipe on screen right now, as you can see. That's the sawmill. It's pretty easy. You get wood pretty much from cutting down trees. You get iron from mining, and then you get chains by just by iron and an anvil. I think all you need is iron. Hover over an anvil, and you should see chains. Alright, once you have that, what you're gonna want to do is make a loom, right? As you can see, it's not that hard. Just 12 wood at a sawmill, right? And that's the loom. Once you're done with the loom, now what you're gonna want to need is some cobwebs, right? Now, some of you guys already know how to obtain cobwebs, but especially like if you're new to the game, you might not know. And I'll pretty much be telling you guys how to. So first thing that you're going to want to do is go down to the caves, and you can see I've already found some cobwebs, right? You can see they're pretty easy to find in like these little caves. You can see web. So if I go down there, I can literally mine it, and I'll get cobwebs. That's what you want. And you can see, I don't know if I can find it anymore, but they're easier to see like when you're actually in the cave. Just go ahead and mine those. Yeah, there's more. It's not really that hard. They're really common, especially if you can find like a spider cave. Like a lot of spiders, there's so many webs. Just farm those webs, right? But yeah, so that's it. Once you have a lot of webs, right? I'm in Journey, so I can just get infinite. Once you have a lot of cobwebs, you're gonna go to the loom and craft some silk, right? I don't know how much silk it is. Recipe up on screen right now. That's how much silk you need to craft a bed. Um, but yeah, once you have, your silk, all you're gonna need is wood, and you're good. Like you literally can make a bed with that, and it's as easy as that. I mean, it's not hard to make a bed in Terraria. Alright guys, sorry about that. I didn't even have enough wood to make the bed. But yeah, here it is. Here's the bed. All you have to do is craft it, and now you have a bed, right? And now, that's pretty much how you make a bed. But how you use it is different. So you can't use it to sleep through the night, like in Minecraft. But you can use it to set your spawn point. So say, if I leave, right? If I leave the world, and then I load right back into the world. You can see, give it a second. Boom, I spawn here, right? This is where I spawn. And you can see, hold on, let me do it again. I'm just gonna stand like right up there, right? Go back in, and I'm always going to spawn in the same spot. But what the bed does is if I put the bed, let's put it in my house, right? And by the way, the bed, I think it needs the exact requirements as an NPC house. So, like, yeah, pretty much what the NPC house has, that's where you need to place it in. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll get to that in a minute. So yeah, you just place the bed pretty much anywhere that you want, and then right-click on it. And yeah, that's how you set your spawn point. You can also remove it and set it, and if you get close to it, right-click, you'll lay down. You don't skip the night with this, but it's still a cool feature. But just back away a little bit, and then right-click, and then you can set and remove your spawn point. And wow, that's Pinky right there. I didn't even know that. That's okay. I did not know that she was spawning. Hold on, let me kill Pinky then. Hold on. That was not planned. All right, Pinky, it's time to die. I don't know what you think you're doing, but all right. Yeah. Anyway. If you guys are clicking on the bed and it's not working, here's a tip. This is why it's probably not working. You probably don't have the right requirements. You need to build it in an NPC house, pretty much, like requirements that fit that. And if you don't know what that is, I have a video on that. Just at the end of the video, it's gonna be there. You guys will see it. But yeah, stick around to the end if you don't know how to make an NPC house. But yeah, just right click, and then that's how you set your spawn point, right? And now if I right click spawn point set, right? Say, I can go, over here, right? Save and exit. And if I join back in the world, you see, I'm going to spawn at my bed. And this is really cool, because if you're doing this multiplayer especially, I would recommend build a house right here, right? Put a bed here, as you can see I already have a bed. Put a bed right here on the dungeon. When you're fighting Skeletron, at the dungeon, especially, what you're going to want to do is just to kind of, what I do is, like, if you're doing two-player, especially for console, this is really good since y'all can just do split screen, but one person will, kill Skeletron. When that person's getting low on health, they pretty much go in with their sword, sacrifice, right? But then what's going to happen, they're going to die, respawn here at the dungeon. They just come down, and then the other person switches, just melee Skeletron until they die, spawns at the bed, yeah, it's pretty much a whole process. Hopefully you guys know what I mean. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you use a bed, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. Hope this helped. Yeah, guys, peace out.